I am here today to announce what most of you have been waiting for the longest time. My thought process now is hopefully I can record this in one take. Anyways, back to serious things. You've been asking me to have a balloon garland class for a while. And I apologize. I've been thinking like, should I do this? Should I not do this? Because on my channel, I have a lot of tutorials for balloons. And I just kept thinking like, I don't know. But then I am listening to all of you and I have decided to have two classes to start out. The first class is going to be virtual and the second class is going to be online. No, in person. So we'll have a 2-day in-person class in November. I think we're gonna do November 8th and 9th. So just make sure you're following or subscribe wherever you're watching Sodo Creations from, and we'll announce all that this coming week. But they're all you'll see everything on the website once we make it live. So we'll have our first class, which will be a master class. I figured to save more money for people who want to come, especially with most of you telling me you would be traveling from different places to be here, I figured it would be best to have a 2-day class so that we can cover more material and more things for you to get the most out of the time you come and spend with me. The idea is that whether you're a beginner or you have some experience with balloons, you would be able to learn and build onto what you're learning and eventually design beautiful backdrops. So make sure you grab your spot because a lot of the spots are going to be limited, especially for the virtual classes. Because if it's in person, it's going to be easy for me to walk you through, correct what we need because I'm right there. I can talk through things, but the virtual classes, I'm gonna limit to 10 at a time. I'm gonna see how these two classes do. The master class, in-person class, is going to cover spiral columns. It's going to cover organic balloon garlands, how to hang those balloon garlands on different types of backdrops or different types of surfaces. And also we're going to design a balloon wall as well. So you will be able to master all those skills for the 2 days that you're going to come and be here with me. And honestly, I can't wait to meet you guys in person. You know, I've been communicating with a few of you and haven't met any of you in person. So I can't wait to meet you guys and interact, learn more about you, because so far you've seen my life, you've seen a bit of my life on YouTube and my kids, my husband, different people who help out with the business, but I don't know much about you guys. So it'd be nice to meet you guys and we learn. So with the virtual class, it's gonna be through Zoom and it's gonna be a thorough class, but it's only gonna cover the organic balloon garland. So because of the time frame and because of being able to walk you through each step and tying balloons and just all the details, I figured a few hours in a day, we can cover all of that instead of pushing and extending. So all this information will be on my website. So make sure you go and check it out. And again, get ready to sign up so that you don't miss a spot. Depending on how this goes, sometime next year, I'll arrange for more classes, but I'm trying to get my feet wet, see how it goes, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully we can have all of you learn. And this is not just for balloon professionals. If you decorate for different events and you want your balloons to really stand out and look beautiful, you can learn this as well. You can be the one to do the balloons for your birthday parties and other family events. So again, I can't wait. I'm really excited. I've thought about it and I said, okay, I will do it. So there you go. So make sure you let me know if you're going to be one of the people who would come out of, I don't know if you know I'm in Oklahoma City, but yes, we're in Oklahoma City. And the great thing, even though you asked me for this for a long time, the great thing is that I have a venue now. So we have plenty of space to inflate balloons, plenty of space to have enough people for the in-person class. So make sure you get ready, snag your spot. We'll talk all the prizes, everything detailed will be on the website as we go live. So thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you for being willing to learn as well and grow. So you make me proud, you make me want to learn and even grow some more. So have a blessed week and talk to you guys soon.